Tired of adding products one by one? Import up to 50 at once with a CSV file. Here's exactly how. First, we'll navigate to the Import tool, then download the template, and finally upload your file. Let's start by opening your site in the Hostinger website builder. Go ahead and log in and pull up the site you want to work on. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're looking at the main builder interface. From the dashboard, find the Store section on the left-hand side menu. It's usually pretty easy to spot, right alongside things like Pages and Design. Click on that. Inside Store, you're going to look for the Products menu option. This is where all your items live, and it's also where we'll be bringing in the new ones. Now look for the Import button at the top of the Products page. It should be right up there, maybe labeled something like Import Products. Give that a click. A pop-up will appear with a few options. For this walkthrough, choose the one that says Import up to 50 physical products. This is perfect if you're selling tangible items like ceramics or clothing. Alright, now you need to prepare your file. Click on the Upload CSV or XLSX file button. Now this next step is really important. If you already have a spreadsheet ready to go, fantastic. But if you don't, you'll want to download the template first. Look for the link that says Download a CSV file template. Click that. The template will download to your computer. Once it's there, click Cancel on the Upload window. We're not actually uploading anything yet. Open up that template in Excel or Google Sheets. You'll see all the necessary columns already set up for you, like product name, price, description, and images. And here's the really important part. You just need to fill in your product data into those columns. Take your time with this. Make sure your product names are correct and your prices are formatted properly. Double-check everything before you save it. Now upload your filled CSV file. Go back to the Import pop-up and click that Upload CSV or XLSX file button again. Navigate to where you saved your completed template, select it, and open it. The system will process the file and show you a preview. Check the preview carefully. This is your last chance to catch any mistakes before the import goes live. Look at the product names, prices, and categories. If everything looks good, confirm the import. Once it's done, go back to the Products section. You should see all of your new items listed there, ready to sell. No more manual data entry for 50 products. And that's it. You've just gone from adding products one frustrating item at a time to importing dozens of them in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching and happy selling.